Hello students, today we are going to discuss about fifth form of business organization, that is company. What is company? Company is an association of person for carrying out the business of an activity. An association of person formed for carrying out the business activity and has a legal status of the members. Means a company which is a group of association of person that is formed for the purpose of running business activity and has a legal status from its member. Means company is separate from its member. Company and owner both are different persons. Second, an artificial person, because company is not a natural person like person can eat, run, jump. A company cannot do that. So an artificial person having a separate legal entity, perpetual succession and a common seal. Mean company is a separate from its member. Perpetual succession means company may members may come, members may go, but company is still going to continue. And third is common seal. Company is having a stamp that is affixed on every document. So under section 220 of Companies Act 2013, company is a company is a company which is formed under Companies Act 2013. So who are the shareholders? Shareholders are the owners of the business that contribute their capital into the business. From that capital, company can generate their authorized capital and then can issue the shares. The capital of the company is divided into parts called shares. So, what are the features of this? First, separate legal entity. Company is a separate part from its member. Company and the owner both are different persons. Owner and the business are not the same person, because company can do their own business. They can sue. Second is artificial person. Company is not a natural person. Company is not a natural person. Company can own property. Company can sue and enter into contact with any other person. Company can file a suit against any other third party. So like a natural person, company cannot run, jump, eat, etc. Third is formation process is very complicated because it involves a lot of time consuming activity. We have to follow so many legal formalities that has to be completed at the incorporation of the company. Fourth is perpetual succession. Perpetual succession means company created and end by the law. Members may come, members may go, but the company is still going to continue. Fifth is control, because all over the control of the management of the company is done by the board of director, because the shareholders does not take part in the management of the company. So the only control is in the hands of board of director. Liability of the members is limited to the extent of capital which is contributed by them. And next is common seal. Common seal is having a stamp that must be affixed on every documents of the company which is having a contract with any other third person. Eighth is risk bearing. Risk bearing in every kind of risk which is borne by the shareholders of the company, because they are the owners of the company. That is why this risk is taken by the shareholders. So this is about the meaning and the features of the company. You have to prepare these notes and send it to me.